like, subscribe and press the bell icon guys. I could apply that shape mask options on the picture, and here I have to choose that background color for it, and that red background color I have to select for it guys. And different kinds of shape mask options we try on it, and I have to select that first one guys. Now friends, we could change the ratio for that photo, like that one. Any kind of a beautiful background we select for that picture guys, and here I have to select that one ratio for our beautiful photo. Further guys, we also apply that borders on it, outside border, and that I have to apply green color inside border, which is looking